Hello everyone, hope you're having a great week. As you know, we are back to school, Module 6, Section 2. We've reached the midpoint of that, and after this we have 3 module sections left, so semester's going pretty quickly. We are in the middle of our group project, so definitely by this time all groups should have submitted the forming document that was due before spring break. By tonight, each group should have appointed one person to create a main post for your group that describes your group project and how the group work is going so far. That's in the main section discussion board for each course section. The same discussion board we've used for all other assignments except for the last module section when we got to know our group members. So please make sure that's done by tonight, and then each person in your group, if your group has posted a main posting, will receive full credit if they respond to at least 3 other threads in the discussion board. One should be your own discussion board thread. The others can be of other groups or however the discussion, wherever it takes you. So hopefully that will give other groups an idea of what you've been working on, and you can kind of see what they've been working on, and I'm hoping that will be another insight into the way groups sometimes should work and sometimes shouldn't work. So be honest, but be nice, and hopefully that will be a constructive discussion. So by the end of this module section, by Sunday, April 8th, your group project is due, and as well there's a group participation assignment that each student in all groups needs to fill out for the other group members in their group. You can get that done by Sunday, or I'll give you a couple of extra days into next week if your group is submitting late Sunday night, so that all the group work will be done by the time you sit down and think about how your group members performed. Coming up in Module 7, Section 1, we're coming to our last outcome. Remember, this course has been organized around 4 of the 6 MDS outcomes. That's problem solving, written communication, effective speaking, and teamwork. And so this last one is effective speaking. So in the last 3 module sections, we will work on speaking skills. We'll be first doing that by practicing them in what I would call an elevator pitch. So if you haven't done those before, it's basically a very brief 1-minute kind of summary of a topic. Usually it's maybe your job qualifications or why you're passionate about something in your life that you could give to a person that is with you in an elevator in a very short amount of time. So it's kind of something you should memorize and have in your pocket whenever you need it. So for this week's elevator pitch, what I would like you to think about is what is the MDS program and why are you in the MDS program? In case I'm sure you've had some family or friends ask you, what is this degree and why are you doing it? If you have a good answer for that, that will go a long way in kind of helping them understand why you chose this degree and what it can do for you. So we're going to be working on that in Module 7, Section 1. There's also another quiz I'm going to ask you to take on group work skills, and that's just concentrated on yourself solely. So kind of to give you another insight into what skills you have in group work and what you might be able to strengthen moving ahead. And then finally, there is a section on the upcoming reflections presentation. That's the other major assignment that we have left in the course. That won't be due for another couple of weeks, but I do give you some introductory information on how that should look and what it entails. So take a look over all those assignments and resources. If you have questions, let Karina or I know. And if we don't hear from you, we will definitely see you online. Thank you.